subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
HTC launched its new entry-level smartphone in African market called HTC Wildfire E-Star, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The HTC Wildfire E-Star features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera set at the top left corner that includes an 8-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the QVGA sensor with f2.8 aperture. Under the hood, the HTC Wildfire E-Star comes powered by Uni SoC SC9832E chipset, paired with Mali T820 MP1 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256 GB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 12 Undergo edition, and it is backed by 3000 mAh battery, with 5 watts charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.8 by 76.5 by 9.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of this smartphone at the moment, and we expect the phone to be priced around 2,000 South African rands. So, what do you guys think of this HTC Wildfire E-Star smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.